How to configure EcoStruxure industrial device. On this video, you will find a quick description of the industrial device tool. Next, we will explore Vijeo Designer Buildtime configuration. Finally, we will learn how to use the Industrial Device app. Industrial Device app replace existing app like Vijeo Design'Air, Vijeo Design'Air Plus, and their free versions. It offers more capability, features, and is fully compatible with the latest cybersecurity rules. Industrial Device application is compatible with Android and iOS operating system. The application can be downloaded on Play Store and Apple Store. Open Vijeo Designer Runtime and go to the Network Configuration menu. Set the IP address of the target and do the same for the subnet mask. Next, open the Remote Access tab. Make sure that Data Sharing option is enabled. Then set the communication port number. The default port of data sharing is 6000. Then, enable the web server option. The default port is 80, but this port is commonly used by many applications. It's why we recommend to changing it to a specific port for a better security. Finally, in the Remote Management section, activate Vijeo Design'Air option. Read and confirm the warning message displayed. The default port for this feature is 6002. You can change it if needed. Once these steps are completed, the configuration in Buildtime is finished. We will now detail the configuration of a new target, and the use of the industrial device application. To add a target, tap on the plus button in the bottom right corner. In the Select Connection menu, choose Select Product, then select HMI. Next, choose the Vijeo Design'Air option and read the security recommendations. Accept them to continue. Enter a name for your target. Select Direct Connection. Please note that the Secure Connect option will be available in 2026. Now, enter the target's IP address. Input the port defined during the Vijeo Designer Buildtime configuration step. Tap on Connect button to establish the connection. You are now remotely connected to your target and can navigate on menus, panels, and interact with them. To take a screenshot of the target, tap the button in the top right corner. You can add some annotations with several color. Then, share the screenshot. For this, select and use your preferred application. As example, you are able now to send the screenshot by email. In the Home menu, the defined target is now available. Tap on the star icon to mark it as a favorite. To delete a target, swipe the target with your finger. The delete button is now available. Tap on it to confirm. It's now the end of this video. Thank you very much for your attention.